Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This B and R PCT interface terminal is custom programmed for our Herbert Kannegiessen conveyor used by ERD's uniform cleaning company. These are conveyors used to move hundreds of garments at a time. This unit had several problems, including software issues, which we were able to repair. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.